Hello guys, I'm Shayok and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to put a DVD burner or simply DVD-ROM into your computer. I've got 3 slots for putting a DVD burner in my CPU. Whatever your cabinet is, you yourself have to find out where to put it. That's the main thing. After you find it out, you have to pull out these plastic boards which fills these holes. Now after you have taken it out, it should look something like this. Now what you have to do is you have to take the DVD burner, these cables, these nudges for cables should face downwards. The bigger one you see is the SATA connector, which is called the power cable, and the smaller L is the data cable. Now hold it like this and put it in through here. It's going and it's just fine. You see, it's all fine. Now see, you eventually see here screw holes. You have to follow a particular pattern while putting screws into these holes, otherwise it would dislocate. Nothing much would happen, but it would dislocate. What you have to do is, if you put a screw in this one or this one, either of these one, you have to put the other screw diagonally to the one you have put. Suppose if you have put it here, the next one should be here, or if it's here, the next one should be here. Now after you have put all your screws in, what you have to do is you have to connect the power supply cable to the bigger nudge over here. The power cable goes in like this, and this one, the SATA cable, the smaller nudge, would fit perfectly in the smaller one. After you have put these two in here, the next thing you have to do is you have to search for the other end of the SATA connector, which looks like this. Now after finding it out, find the SATA ports in your computer. Here in my system it's written, see here it's written SATA RAID, that's what it is called. Now what you have to do is you have to simply put this thing into any of these holes. It would just fit into these. After you have put it in, it's good to go. It's connected to your motherboard, it's connected to your SMPS, I mean the power supply unit, and it's all ready to burn. Thank you guys. Watch again.